Alright, my gaming video is done. I don't think I need to work on it anymore. It's not like this video is gonna magically blow up. How the hell did this happen? Oh, what's this? Oh, it's not that bad. What? My game right now is a complete disaster. It's glitchy as hell, the movement is quite basic, and the game feels terrible to play. Let's see if we can fix it. So I got quite a lot of bug reports since the last video. Most of them were minor bugs that I was able to fix within a day or two. But some of them were, really interesting. Wait, what? So the netcode for the weapon system is like trash. Like actual garbage. Basically, high ping equals weapon bad. Now, a shotgun that can rapid fire is cool and all, but it seems a little unbalanced. Just a little bit. I redid the weapon system, and that was basically all the major bugs. Well, the interesting ones at least. Now that I got all the bugs out the way, it's time to add a new feature. That's right. I'm gonna be adding sliding. Why? Because every single FPS game I've ever played has sliding. So why can't my game have it too? I started off by making a knee sliding animation for the player and tested it out in game. Why is he in the floor? This is not supposed to be happening. Okay, it looks correct now. Alright. Now, I really like how Apex does their sliding. And like any good game developer, I took inspiration. Yeah, and boom, sliding is in the game. Alright, for now, I'm just gonna upload this version. I didn't really test it, but I'm sure we'll be fine. I'm not, what is even going on? Okay, so, the problem is, when the player dies, the camera remains in the same area, so it just pivots from that area. I changed a single variable, and now it's fixed. I love being a game developer. Now, what is the difference between my game and Call of Duty? My game is terrible. That's right, objective. This game needs an objective. All you do in my game is run around and shoot people indefinitely. So I decided to make a basic free-for-all scoreboard system. Basically, the player with the most kills after 5 minutes wins. Seems simple to add, right? No, not at all. So first, I try to add a kill counter. You might think that all you have to do is whenever you kill a player, just add a point to your score. But replication messes all that crap up. I avoided talking about this in the first video, but I kinda had to explain it for this one. And to not waste your time, it's time to do some speedrunning. So basically, multiplayer works by having a client and a server. Let's say I want this point to appear for all clients on the scoreboard. I would have to send a signal to the server and have the server send a signal to every other client to show up my kill count. And then I have to integrate this function into other functions, like making it actually show up on the scoreboard. It's basically hell. That's the only way I can describe it. But anyhow, I got it working, surprisingly. But there's a problem, you see. This. So right now we can't really tell which player is which. So we need a username system. Now I just put this text box in the main menu, and if I apply the same logic and code for the kill system, this should work. It's been many hours, I wanna die, but it works now, and that's all that matters. And to finish things up, I added this timer to the top, and I also added a windscreen. Now that we have the scoreboard figured out, it's time for this game to live up to its name and be truly chaotic. Introducing random events. Yeah! Woo! First, I need to come up with some. So I opened up a Google Docs and wrote down whatever came to mind. So, I came up with 5 of them. So first, we have a zombie apocalypse. Second, we have a low gravity. Third, we have a boss weapon. Fourth, we have 1 HP. And in 5th place, we have World War II artillery. Why? I don't know either. Every 60 seconds, it will randomly pick an event to happen. And yeah, that's how it's gonna work. So let's start off with the zombies. And for the zombie model, I took the player model and made him green. Because, Minecraft reference. I gave him animations from this animation pack I found a while back, and made them pathfind to the nearest player. And upon arriving to the player's location, the zombie will begin to attack the player. Alright, let's test this out in game. Here it comes. Ow, ow, ow. Now, moving on to low gravity. For this, we're gonna have to do some intense calculations. Now, we need to multiply our player's mass by— Just kidding, Unreal Engine is cool, and they did all that for me. Just change this value, and boom, you're on the moon. Crazy, isn't it? On to the boss weapon. I wanted it to be some sort of LMG that does high damage and has a high fire rate. Since I'm pretty lazy and I'm bad at modeling, I just got the AK and made it longer, and I also gave it this really goofy looking drum mag. This will work for now. Now for this weapon's mechanics. So I took some inspiration from Stick Fight and made it so that the weapon would randomly spawn on the map. The weapon is marked with a skull icon, and once you pick it up, the icon transfers to you and turns red. And upon picking up this weapon, your health is also boosted. This, however, lasts for a short period of time. So once you have it, make sure to use it to its full potential. Also, I'm sure that this gun won't cause any balancing issues down the line or anything. For the 1 HP random event, I just made it so that the players have 1 health. That's it. Like, what did you expect? Last but not least, we have artillery. I found this free explosion particle effect in a guns pack I was already using for sounds. I made the explosion deal 100 damage to any player that is in its radius. And boom, artillery is now in the game. And it looks like this game is ready for playtesting. I sent the link to my friends, and we started playtesting. Oh!
You took like 3 shotgun shots to the. You just got double pumped. You see that movement tech? Fuck. Holy.
I think this is peak gaming. No game gets better than. This is the best.
Sound like an actual game dev. This is peak gaming.
I honestly do not know what I'm doing. Oh frick.
Shit.
Yo, why are you getting up on me like that?
Yeah. Oh my god.
Oh, I gotta get that.
Boss.
I gotta get that.
What? What does that mean? We're not making it, bro.
You're not making it out alive.
We're not making it.
So I got a few things from that playtest. The main thing is, these weapon models suck. Luckily, an expert 3D modeler appeared in my Discord server one day. So, I got all the models from him. Thank you very much. Go check out his Sketchfab and YouTube channel right here. He's also the new weapon designer for K.Dot Conflicts, so yeah. And now my weapons look awesome. Thank you. Anyhow, that's the end of this devlog. This game is out on GameJolt. And if you want to play in a public match, join this dedicated server right here. And if there's no one online, ask in our Discord server. Anyhow, that's all I have to tell you, so yeah, I'll see you guys later. Wait, I still need to find out what I'm gonna do for the next devlog though. Oh, I have an idea.